Hello everyone, Simran Sagaria this side from Arista Immigration and Services. Today I'll tell you that how can you self-introduce yourself in basic way and advanced way. Today I'm going to tell you two different ways that you can use to introduce yourself. First one is basic one and other one is advanced English. In basic one, you say about your name firstly by using my name is Rahul Sharma. But in advanced English, you say I am Rahul Sharma. That is a kind of different thing. Okay, after that you have to tell about your age. In basic one, you say I am just 21 years old. But by using advanced English, you say I am in my early 20s. Whatever age you are currently going through. After that, you have to add about your qualification. Okay, for this in basic one, you use I am pursuing or I have completed my secondary education in such stream. But if I talk about the advanced English, you will use my educational background includes my secondary education in such stream or bachelor degree. After that, family introduction is very important. But in basic one, you use I belong to big or small family with 3 or 4 members. But in advanced English, you will use I belong to a nuclear or affiliate family of 3 or 4 members. At the end of the introduction, you must add hobbies. In basic one, you use my hobbies are reading books, listening music and painting and all. But if I talk about the advanced English, use my major interest is lies in reading books, listening music. That a kind of the things that you find different is in advanced level, but the basic one is so simple. That's all about your self introduction. Thank you very much.